Hey guys, Mel here, and today we are going to be decorating Easter eggs. And so I got this Paas Iridescent egg coloring kit to try out. And so it comes with 60 adhesive shapes, 9 foil sheets, 6 die tablets, 4 egg stands, 1 glue pen, which is a food safe glue pen, 1 egg dipper, 1 drying tray, and 1 instruction sheet, if I can talk. And I'm also going to be trying out the Paws Whiskers egg dippers, which says dye eggs with less mess. So it's almost like a little whisk type of looking thing. So we're going to try this. So let's get started. All right, first things first is we need some vinegar. And we need to put a tablespoon of vinegar in each of the cups. And we are using a package of cups that we bought, which are only 5-pack, but the ones that come in the iridescent package have 6, which is why I have to use a little mug over here. So usually we've done just like the mugs in the past, but my mom decided to buy some of the little disposable cups this time. Hopefully I matched the colors correctly. Not quite sure if the pink and the orange are correct, and I'm hoping the one in the mug is purple. We'll find out anyway. So there we go. And then after that, we get to add 1/2 cup of room temperature water. And we also need to make sure that we are kind of stirring these to help them dissolve. And it does look like I might be correct, because it does look like the orange is giving me orange vibes in that cup. And the pink is looking quite pink right here. So I think I did a good job of matching the color tablets. And while those are working their little fizzy magic, I will open the 2 whisker things that we got. So here are our 2 little whiskers. One is pink and has like a little bunny head, and the other is blue and has a little bunny butt. So you know, if you kind of put them together, you got the bunny head and the bunny butt. There we go. Here's the bunny head. Here's the bunny butt. And can we say that I am loving my the Arkin mount that I got for Christmas? It's nice. It's so like, it's easy to like move around different places, so I can set it up, and it's just been very helpful because I can do these overhead shots now. I mean, that's great. So these are still kind of working their fizzy little magic. Alright, we've got our tablets. Yes, they didn't quite dissolve all the way on most of them, but that's okay. We will still work with what we have. So first step is you put an egg into the little whisker thing, like so, and then you're supposed to be able to just kind of like stick it in there. We'll do another one. We'll do the purple. And then we'll also use the egg dippers too. because it seems like there are probably going to be pros and cons to both methods. Alright, so we've got these going. Oh, so this is a coral. I don't even have a purple. Well, that's sad. It's like a corally color. Oh well. I can always make a couple eggs purple afterwards once I'm done with the blue and the pink. I can combine them, as well as combining some blue with some green. This is what I like to do sometimes. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, so we can take out the first eggs. Yeah! That did not quite help. Let's get that back in there. Arr. Arr. It comes undone, so there we go. It pops out and then pops back in. Learn something new as I'm using this for the first time. Alright, so I get to let these eggs dry. Then I get to decide what I want to color the other ones as. One of these has decided that it wants to be orange. And then I think I will do another pink one because I love pink. And then I do want to do at least one teal and one purple. So I do need to save those. So I'll probably do another yellow. What other color? What other color? What other color? Maybe another coral. I think that's, or do we want another green? Well, teal is close to green, so we'll do another coral, I guess. Maybe mix the coral with the pink after. And since I'm skipping some of the blue, I will add some of the blue into the green to make a nice teal color. Still a bit greenish, but oh well. We're working on it. We've got some blue. Food dye. That will also add to the color. Get a more intense green, I guess. It'll be a dark one. And then the coral, I'm going to dip into the pink for a little bit. Give it a nice little more sunsetty peachy color. Oh yeah, look at that nice color. That's what I'm talking about. And this one I'm going to stick in here for a little tiny bit. Kind of darken that one up a bit. And I think this is a gorgeous color. Look at that. Okay, maybe you can't see it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is a gorgeous color right there. A nice peachy, sunsetty pink. Ooh, very pretty. And now we add the blue to the pink. It's going to give us this nice shade right here. And the yellow can come out. And this one I'm actually going to stick in the yellow just for a little bit because I'm trying to get a nice, like, I don't know what color I'm trying to get with that one. But this is what happens. You can, like, you know, figure out different colors and different combinations. I found some red to add to my purpley color, which is really gorgeous. But I think I want just a hair more red. Also, bonus tip, if you have this kind of coffee filter, the nice white ones that are like tissue paper, you can actually put them into the egg dye, and you can make your own tie-dye creation. It's not perfect, but you know, you can do that. Be careful though, because the food coloring will dye your hands temporarily. But it will eventually come off. Alright, apparently I thought I was filming and I wasn't, so I have started to get the foil. I started with a couple of the stickers, so here's a bunny rabbit and here's a butterfly, and it took a little bit of time, but I was able to get like a random design, random one. This one is another one using the stickers. So let me show you how the stickers get used. So basically, the sticker sheet, you have these white stickers, and you pull them off, and if you pull them off correctly, you'll get the sticky side, one of the sticky sides. And then you place it on a dry egg. Then, from the dry egg, you peel off the white backing. If I can get it. And it will leave a sticky spot. Then you take the backing of the foil, so the white part, and you place it on the sticker and just kind of spread it out a bit. And then you quickly pull it off, and there is the foil left on the sticker. So that is how you do it with the stickers. Then you can also do it with the little food grade glue. And this one is a little trickier, because they say like put a couple drops of glue on, then kind of spread it around, and kind of like keep tapping, because you want this to be sticky. And then you do the same on the back of the foil. So you put a little bit of glue on, and then like spread it around. And then you kind of wait a little bit and keep like tapping. Because you want the glue to be sticky enough. Then you apply the foil to your egg, which is a little bit hard, and again, try to spread it out a bit. And if it works, you can peel it off and it will work. If it doesn't work, then you just kind of try again. See if you can get it to stick. I mean, I'm getting a little tiny pieces, so it just doesn't want to stick quite yet. I think it has to be like almost dry to really stick. So again, it is trickier to do it with the glue and just creating like random designs. But see, there I finally got a little bit more. And then you can probably just like redo it for however much you want to do. So it does work, it's just a little bit more time consuming and a little bit trickier than just adding a sticker. But it is nice. You just kind of spread it all around. So this way is not quite perfect, but that's okay. I would think if you were doing eggs that were not going to be eaten and you use like school glue or something, that might work better. But again, if you're going to use anything other than this that they give you, you're going to have to, it's going to be eggs that are not meant to be eaten. So if you plan to eat the eggs, then then use just the glue that they provide. And otherwise, if you want the quicker version, you can use the stickers. And you'll get the cute little chicks and eggs and butterflies and sheep and flowers and polka dots. I have finished the eggs, and here's like one of them. This one's a more simple one with just 2 stickers. I also tried cutting around used stickers to do like, you know, the outer edge. So I did that with this one. And then some of the random pieces that I tried. I did use the stickers more than doing the glue with the random bits of iridescent foil, because I did find that easier. However, it was fun doing both methods. So all my eggs are done. They are all decorated, ready for Easter. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!